Hey everyone, and welcome back to Lyra Tech. Today we're looking at the DJI Mavic 3 Classic drone. Check the link in the description for the best price. This drone packs a professional Hasselblad camera and some serious flight tech, so let's dive. Let's break down how the DJI Mavic 3 Classic performs in its core functions, focusing on its camera and flight characteristics. This section examines the heart of the Mavic 3 Classic, its impressive Hasselblad camera and reliable flight systems. The 4/3 CMOS Hasselblad camera on this drone is simply phenomenal, capturing breathtaking detail and vibrant colors. With an advertised 46 minutes of flight time, you get ample opportunity to capture all the shots you need. Omnidirectional obstacle sensing makes flying much safer, intelligently navigating around any potential hazards. The 15-kilometer video transmission range offers a stable, clear feed even at extended distances. The camera performance is truly top-tier, and flight feels robust with excellent endurance. This chart looks at the practical user experience and whether the DJI Mavic 3 Classic offers good value for its price. We're now evaluating how easy the drone is to use and the overall value proposition considering its premium positioning. The product details provide a clear picture of the drone's capabilities, from camera specs to flight features. This drone is definitely a premium product with a premium price, so value depends heavily on your usage needs. Compliance with FAA Remote ID and intelligent features like Smart Return to Home offer peace of mind. The included DJI RC with its built-in screen makes for a convenient and integrated flight control experience. It packs impressive features, but the cost and DJI ecosystem are key factors for buyers. So, the DJI Mavic 3 Classic is undeniably a powerhouse for aerial content creation, offering that incredible Hasselblad camera and a really smooth, safe flight experience. It's a serious tool, but that comes with a serious price tag. If you're a pro or aspiring pro, this is a fantastic option, but casual users might find it a bit much. This is a definite buy for the right user.